Excretion is a vital process in our bodies that ensures the removal of chemical wastes, especially nitrogenous wastes, from our system. Without excretion, harmful substances would accumulate, disrupting the body's internal balance. This process is essential for maintaining homeostasis or the steady state of our internal environment. Every day, our cells produce waste as a byproduct of metabolism, and excretion is the mechanism that keeps us healthy by eliminating these unwanted materials. Let's explore how this process works and why it's so crucial for our survival. The excretory system is a group of organs responsible for forming, storing, and eliminating urine. This system works tirelessly to filter out wastes and maintain the chemical balance of our body fluids. The main organs involved include the kidneys, skin, lungs, and liver, each playing a unique role in waste removal. Together, they ensure that harmful substances are efficiently processed and expelled, keeping our bodies functioning smoothly. Understanding the excretory system helps us appreciate how our bodies manage waste and stay healthy. Our bodies produce several types of waste that need to be eliminated. These include carbon dioxide, water, nitrogenous wastes like urea, uric acid, and ammonia, excess salts, and even some water-soluble vitamins. Each type of waste is handled by different organs. For example, carbon dioxide is expelled through the lungs, while urea is filtered out by the kidneys. This division of labor ensures that all unwanted substances are efficiently removed from the body. Carbon dioxide is a waste product of cellular respiration. Our lungs play a crucial role in removing this gas from our bodies. As we breathe out, carbon dioxide is expelled, preventing it from building up in our bloodstream. This process is continuous and automatic, ensuring that our blood remains at the right pH and our cells function properly. The elimination of carbon dioxide is a perfect example of how our excretory system maintains balance. Excess water and some salts are eliminated from the body through sweat. The skin, via sweat glands, helps regulate body temperature and remove waste. When we sweat, not only do we cool down, but we also get rid of extra water and sodium chloride. This process is especially important during physical activity or in hot weather, helping to keep our internal environment stable. Nitrogenous wastes such as urea, uric acid, and ammonia are byproducts of protein metabolism. These substances are toxic if allowed to accumulate. The kidneys are primarily responsible for filtering out urea from the blood and excreting it in urine. Uric acid and ammonia are also managed by the excretory system, ensuring that our bodies remain free from harmful nitrogen compounds. Our bodies sometimes have more salts like sodium chloride and water-soluble vitamins such as B and C than needed. These excess substances are filtered out mainly by the kidneys and excreted in urine. This process helps maintain the right balance of minerals and vitamins, preventing any harmful effects from overaccumulation. Bile pigments, especially bilirubin, are produced from the breakdown of hemoglobin in the liver. These pigments are excreted in bile and eventually leave the body through feces. Sometimes, small amounts can appear in urine, especially if there are liver problems. The removal of bile pigments is another way our bodies manage waste from the breakdown of old red blood cells. The main excretory organs include the kidneys, skin, lungs, and liver. Each organ has a specific function in waste removal. The kidneys filter blood to produce urine, the skin eliminates water and salts through sweat, the lungs expel carbon dioxide, and the liver processes toxins and produces urea. Together, these organs form a comprehensive system for managing waste. The kidneys are two bean-shaped organs located on either side of the backbone, protected by the last two ribs. They are the primary organs responsible for filtering blood and eliminating nitrogenous wastes in the form of urine. Each kidney connects to the urinary bladder via a tube called the ureter. The urine produced collects in the bladder and is eventually expelled through the urethra. The kidneys play a central role in maintaining the body's chemical balance. A kidney has a complex internal structure. When viewed in a longitudinal section, it shows two main regions, an outer dark cortex and an inner lighter medulla. The medulla is organized into several conical pyramids, each with an apex called the papilla. The kidney contains millions of tiny tubules called nephrons, which are the structural and functional units responsible for filtering blood and forming urine. Each kidney contains about 1 million nephrons, which are the basic filtering units. A nephron consists of a Bowman's capsule, a glomerulus, and a long tubule with several segments. Blood enters the nephron where waste is filtered out and useful substances are reabsorbed. The nephron's design allows for efficient filtration and selective reabsorption, making it essential for urine formation. The kidneys receive a rich blood supply through the renal arteries. Each arteriole enters a Bowman's capsule as an afferent arteriole, forming a network of capillaries called the glomerulus. This setup allows for high-pressure filtration of blood, ensuring that waste products are efficiently removed while essential substances are retained. Urine formation in the kidneys involves three main steps: ultrafiltration, reabsorption, and tubular secretion. Each step plays a specific role in filtering blood, reclaiming useful substances, and removing waste. This process ensures that our bodies maintain the right balance of water, salts, and other chemicals while eliminating toxins. Ultrafiltration occurs in the glomerulus, where blood flows under high pressure. This pressure forces water, urea, salts, glucose, and other small molecules out of the blood and into the renal tubule, forming the glomerular filtrate. Larger molecules and blood cells remain in the bloodstream. Ultrafiltration is the first step in urine formation, ensuring that waste is separated from useful components. After ultrafiltration, the glomerular filtrate enters the renal tubule. Here, the body reabsorbs useful substances like glucose, certain salts, and most of the water. This process, called selective reabsorption, ensures that essential nutrients are returned to the bloodstream, while waste products continue on to become urine. The balance maintained by reabsorption is crucial for normal blood composition. In the final step of urine formation, certain substances like potassium ions and foreign chemicals are actively secreted into the renal tubule. This process, known as tubular secretion, involves the cells of the tubule wall and helps remove additional wastes from the blood. Tubular secretion fine-tunes the composition of urine, ensuring that harmful substances are efficiently eliminated. Normal urine is clear yellow due to the pigment urochrome. The volume produced daily ranges from 1 to 1.5 liters, but this can vary based on hydration and other factors. Urine typically has a pH between 5 and 8, an ammonia-like odor, and a specific gravity of 1.003 to 1.035. These properties reflect the body's ongoing efforts to maintain internal balance. Human urine is about 95% water and 5% dissolved solid wastes. The main solid components include urea, salts, uric acid, and creatinine. This composition reflects the kidney's role in filtering out waste while conserving water and essential nutrients. Any significant change in urine composition can indicate underlying health issues. Sometimes urine may contain abnormal substances. Blood cells in urine, known as hematuria, can signal kidney damage or infection. Glucose in urine, called glycosuria, often indicates diabetes. Albumin in urine or albuminuria may point to kidney disease. The presence of bile pigments can be a sign of liver problems like jaundice or cirrhosis. Monitoring urine composition is important for diagnosing health conditions. The amount and concentration of urine produced are regulated by hormones, especially antidiuretic hormone ADH. ADH is secreted by the posterior lobe of the pituitary gland and controls water reabsorption in the kidneys. When the body needs to conserve water, ADH levels rise, leading to more water being reabsorbed and less urine being produced. This regulation helps maintain fluid balance. Osmoregulation is the process by which the kidneys regulate the composition of blood, specifically the percentage of water and salts. By adjusting the amount of water and salts reabsorbed or excreted, the kidneys ensure that the body's internal environment remains stable. This function is vital for maintaining blood pressure, hydration, and overall health. Remarkably, if one kidney is damaged or removed, the other kidney can compensate and handle the body's excretory needs. Many people live healthy lives with just one kidney. In cases where both kidneys fail, an artificial kidney or dialysis machine can perform the filtration function, allowing waste removal from the blood. Urine formed in the kidneys travels down the ureters to the urinary bladder, where it is stored until excretion. The bladder is a muscular sac that expands as it fills. When it's time to urinate, a sphincter muscle relaxes under the control of the brain, allowing urine to pass through the urethra and out of the body. The skin is not just a protective barrier, it also serves as an excretory organ. Sweat glands in the skin excrete water, salts, and small amounts of urea. This process helps regulate body temperature and remove minor wastes, complementing the work of the kidneys. The lungs are essential for removing carbon dioxide, a waste product of cellular respiration. With every breath, carbon dioxide is exchanged for oxygen in the alveoli and expelled from the body. This continuous process is vital for maintaining the acid-base balance of the blood. The liver plays a key role in detoxifying harmful substances. It converts ammonia, a toxic byproduct of protein metabolism, into urea, which is then sent to the kidneys for excretion. The liver also processes drugs and other chemicals, making them easier for the body to eliminate. Various disorders can affect the excretory system, such as kidney stones, urinary tract infections, and glomerulonephritis. These conditions can disrupt normal urine formation and excretion, leading to symptoms like pain, blood in urine, or swelling. Early diagnosis and treatment are important for maintaining kidney health. When both kidneys fail, an artificial kidney or dialysis machine can take over the filtration process. Dialysis removes waste products and excess water from the blood, mimicking the function of healthy kidneys. This life-saving technology allows people with kidney failure to survive and maintain a reasonable quality of life. Excretion is an essential process that keeps our bodies healthy by removing harmful wastes and maintaining internal balance. The excretory system, with its various organs and complex mechanisms, works continuously to filter blood, regulate fluids, and eliminate toxins. Understanding how excretion works helps us appreciate the intricate systems that keep us alive and well.